Results don't always come overnight. This can be a process that can take several years in terms of achieving the legal directory rankings that will accurately reflect your market position as a law firm and the market position of your individual partners. So it's really important to look at this not only in terms of short-term strategy, what we can achieve in the next year or two, but also in terms of mid and long-term strategy. And it's important that partners really understand that they need to submit information on a consistent basis from one year to the next. One of the things that Chambers will always say to anyone who asks is that their research process is accumulative. And this means that all of the feedback generated within one annual research cycle, all of the information included in the submissions within an annual research cycle will feed into the next annual research cycle, and this information builds up from one year to the next until you reach a critical mass, at which point a particular firm or a particular lawyer can enter the ranking or move up the ranking. To a certain extent, this is really about educating partners about how this process works. And this is one of the things that we noticed while still working at Chambers and Partners as editors, and that is that partners didn't really understand how the process worked. They often felt that if they had handled significant deals during the past year, if their clients were happy with their services during the past year, that would result in a ranking. And that's really not the case. So this is really about making sure that you're providing consistent information over a sustained period of time, generating good client referee feedback, providing strong work highlights within one annual research cycle is often not enough to achieve rankings. You need to be doing this over 2 or 3 years in order to be able to meet those thresholds, those internal thresholds that the legal directories have in order to rank a firm or individual for the first time, or in order to improve the position of a firm or individual in the ranking.